This is Jamie with Lasting Order Professional Organizing Services, and I have a tip for you today regarding your pantry. A lot of times we find clients who like to shop in bulk, and one of the struggles that they run into is finding space for those in their pantry. So if you are one of those folks that enjoy buying in bulk, that is fantastic. What I would suggest, as you can see with this pantry behind me, there's not a whole lot of room to store items that you want to buy in bulk. Often though, when we are buying things in bulk, it's because we use them over time, not as an immediate need. So a couple of things that you might consider is storing the excess, or like what we like to call backstock, in another area of the home. Perhaps a utility closet or laundry room closet. You could even purchase a fairly inexpensive cabinet or pantry cabinet and store that out in the garage, where you could keep some canned goods and paper products out in the garage if you don't have that kind of room in your pantry. It's really going to help with keeping those items that you are accessing and need on a more regular basis or even a daily basis accessible, and the ones that are more of a backstock item, out of the main real estate of your pantry. If you enjoyed this tip, feel free to like the video and share the post. And as always, if you need help with your pantry, feel free to give us a call, 812-858-2457, and our website is www.lastingorder.net. Thank you.